love it.
And Latinas. All right, 6:46 right now. Let's get a check of that weekend.
If we're past the weekend,
I wish it was the weekend. We loved the weekend
forecast. Let's savor the weekend as we go into this week now.
Yeah, just kind of keep that in the back of your mind because we're going to be talking about more humidity and more rain chances for the week ahead. Let's show you what's happening on this Monday morning on the Wave 31 SkyCam Network, sponsored by Thompson Roof and Construction. We've got plenty of sunshine to get your Monday started. It is warm and a little bit muggy as you walk out the door. Temperatures hovering really on either side of 70, upper 60s, lower 70s across the board. We are dry, of course, on the Wave 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network, and we will stay dry through the morning hours today. But later on this afternoon, during that peak heat of the day, there's plenty of moisture in the atmosphere. It's humid again. So we'll have that chance for a few pop-up storms later on today. Just a 10 to 20% chance. A lot of us will stay dry, but it's not totally out of the question to see a few of those downpours develop. So just keep an eye on the skies later on this afternoon. For all those festivities down at Big Spring Park tonight, I think we'll be just fine. 1 or 2 downpours, yes, but we should be able to get all those festivities in later on tonight. Don't forget that sunscreen. The UV index, it's technically a step lower today in the very high category, though, nonetheless. So that means you can get a sunburn in about 15 minutes later on today. There's your big weather story this week. The humidity, those green colors, that's that more strong moisture, if you will, starting to move back into North Alabama today. The darker green colors, more of that steamy air that arrives tomorrow, stays with us through the middle part of this week. And as that humid air stays in place, the rain chances continue to go up. You see that drier air tries to filter in by Thursday, but I've got rain chances in the 7-day forecast all the way through Saturday, so keep the umbrella nearby. Fortunately, no day this week looks like a complete washout, but the highest rain coverage will be both tomorrow and Wednesday in that 40 to 50% chance respectively, and then we transition back to the more typical summertime pop-ups by Thursday. So here we go with future radar. 4 o'clock this afternoon, there you see a couple of those downpours developing. Not expecting much in the way of severe weather this week, but any of those stronger storms could have heavy rain and maybe some gusty winds and of course lightning as well. Overnight tonight, you see that thunderstorm coverage becomes a bit more widespread. That's thanks to a frontal boundary that tries to get to North Alabama, but eventually stalls out nearby. And that will set the stage for on again and off again showers and storms late tonight through Tuesday morning, through Tuesday afternoon, and even into much of your Wednesday as well. That's why our rain chances are the highest over the next couple of days. And all of this rain is going to add up. We need the rain. In general, we're talking around 1 to 3 inches in total. You see those red colors in our Tennessee counties down to northeast Alabama? That's where we could see over 3 inches of rain just over the next 5 or 6 days. So again, keep those umbrellas handy. 7-day forecast shows those high temperatures ranging from the upper 80s to lower 90s. And then we finally start to dry things out by Saturday and cool things down just a little bit. 83 degrees by Sunday.
Ooh, that does sound